Alright guys, I have done some stuff to my brand new Type R here through Boomba, which I've done work with for many years, going back to my 2008 8th gen Honda Civic Si, and I can't really say enough stuff about the company and their parts. So I'm very excited to show that I got the new shift knob, the lever, the shoulder lever, and then the transmission shift plate adapter, if you will. Initially, just going through the gears here, I can already sense the crispness of the mechanics. It's just great. It's much shorter than OEM. Sits lower, which is more comfortable as a driver to me. And so we're gonna take it for a little test drive here and see how it feels. Okay, so just driving this short little distance here, I can already tell you the difference in this is already noticeable. And all I've done is shift from first to second. Yeah, it feels great. That's nice. It really feels good. I really like it. It feels, no bullshit, right? Like this is I really do like it. This feels great. It's gonna be one of those things that I could sit here and talk to you about it all day, but until you get in here and feel it for yourself, then you're gonna be like, oh wow, yeah, that's a different. No miss, no mess, folks. I'm a fan. Perfect. I wouldn't change one thing, really. I don't know what you would change. It's the right height, the right feel.